93.5 बजाते रहो. It's me, your beloved radio jockey Anika from class 1B.
It's Ajay Matthew from class 1B. We're back again with yet another interesting show. Kaksha एक का अव्वल show, which is Know Your City.
Good morning, Mumbai. Adya from class 1A with your favorite radio show of RNP. As a part of our school project, we, the first graders, are hosting this radio show. We welcome our principal Deed ma'am, senior secondary headmistress Nitika Bajaj ma'am, secondary headmistress Suman ma'am, primary headmistress Neema ma'am, primary coordinator Nita ma'am, and all the dignitaries to this live show. This is RJJ signing in from class 1C. Guess what? We are here to take you on a Mumbai darshan. मुंबई तेरी याद बहुत आती है. मरीन्स की वो हवाएं, धारावी की गलियां, वो बीच की वो लहरें, मुंबई की वो बारिश, गेटवे का किनारा और सीलिंग का नजारा.
मुंबई तेरी याद बहुत आती है.
Rightly said, buddy. Dedicating a song to our beloved city, Mumbai. Song by Aryan Pudar Home Production. लोको तुम्हाला मुंबईवर भरोसा आहे काय?
लोगों तुम्हारा मुंबई में भरोसा है काय? मुंबई के लोग कितने चंचल दिल में मचाते हैं हलचल. मुंबई के लोग करे पैशन, दुनिया वालों को देते हैं टेंशन. लोगों तुम्हारा मुंबई पर भरोसा है काय? यहाँ पर होती जब बारिश, तैरने की पूरी होती ख्वाहिश. भजियों की होती फरमाइश, कटिंग चाय की होती गुंजाइश. लोगों तुम्हारा मुंबई पर भरोसा है काय? सड़कों पर होती यहाँ गर्दी, सबको ही होती है जल्दी. रास्ते पर स्ट्रीट फूड मिलता, खाने को जी ललचाता. जगह जगह से लोग आते, यहीं पे घर है बसाते. मिलजुल कर त्योहार मनाते, एकता का गीत है सुनाते. लोगों तुम्हारा मुंबई पर भरोसा है काय? लोगों तुम्हारा मुंबई पर भरोसा है काय? कोरोना की आई बीमारी, लोगों ने हार नहीं मानी. मिलजुल कर की है लड़ाई, कोरोना को मात दिलाई. सपनों की नगरी है मुंबई, अपनाती सबको ये मुंबई. दिलों में बसती ये मुंबई. ये है आमची ये है आमची ये है आमची मुंबई.
Welcome back to the Aryan Pudar radio show. You are listening to 93.5 बजाते रहो. Yaar Matthew, what a nostalgic song. These tough times have taught us many things. Most importantly, not to take things for granted, especially our city of dreams.
Today we have few guests from the tourism industry. They work as tourist guides with Happy Tours. Welcome to our show.
We are glad to be a part of this Iron Buddha radio show. Did you ever imagine a city of dreams to be so silent and dull? Well, I didn't. It has been almost a year since I have taken the tourists around the city.
ये मुंबई है, एक ऐसा शहर जो रात में जागता और दिन में भागता है।
और आज सब जागे हुए हैं, पर ये शहर सो रहा है।
No, no, no. Mumbai is not sleeping, but it is resting temporarily. Just like a body needs rest after a day's hard work.
Together, we will fight these trying times and bring our city back on track. After all, Mumbai is the land of dreams that can never sleep. Do you agree with us, Mumbaikars?
Yes, Sadhya, I agree with you. Coming up next on our live show is a song from the movie Taxi number 911. ये है बम्बई नगरिया, देख बबुआ।
राधे श्याम की जय हो, सिया राम की और जय हो बम्बई धाम की। ई है बम्बई नगरिया, तू देख बबुआ। ई है बम्बई नगरिया, तू देख बबुआ। सोने चांदी की डगरिया, तू देख बबुआ। जादू सोने की बजरिया में, जादू सोने की बजरिया में, माया की नगरिया में बदले झटपट बदले मुकद्दर का लेख बबुआ। ये है बम्बई नगरिया, तू देख बबुआ। ये है बम्बई नगरिया, तू देख बबुआ। बम्बई नगरिया, तू देख बबुआ। है बम्बई नगरिया, तू देख बबुआ। सोने चांदी की डगरिया, तू देख बबुआ। जादू सोने की बजरिया में, जादू सोने की बजरिया में, माया की नगरिया में बदले झटपट बदले मुकद्दर का लेख बबुआ। ये है बम्बई नगरिया, तू देख बबुआ। ये है बम्बई नगरिया, तू देख बबुआ।
It must be a tough time for you tourist guides. No tourists, no income. How do you all still manage to smile?
Indeed, it is a tough time, but it is because of those beautiful memories we have created, which makes us move on.
Oh, it seems difficult. Can you share some of your experiences?
Why not? Once I got an opportunity to take around a group of tourists from Tamil Nadu. Ayo Rama! Bombay or Mumbai? I am confused. How and when did Bombay become Mumbai? That's what even I am wondering. I think our tourist guide should help us answer this. But where is he? Hello, Your van, your guide for the day.
Vanakkam, sir.
Vanakkam everyone. On behalf of Happy Tours and Travels, I welcome you to the city of passion and entertainment. Are you ready for the Mumbai Darshan?
Yes, sure. Can you first tell us whether the city is called Mumbai or Bombay?
Earlier the city was called Bombay, but later it was changed to Mumbai to pay tribute to the goddess Mumbai Devi, meaning mother in the Marathi language.
Oh, this is quite informative.
Okay, I will take you through a quick journey to the Mumbai city. Would you prefer a bus or train to travel?
I think we will prefer Mumbai's lifeline and travel by train. Who are these people dressed in white outfits and dressed to Gandhi cap?
Well, they are the Mumbai Dabbawalas. They deliver home cooked food to almost 2 lakh Mumbaikars every day.
2 lakh! Ayyo Rama!
They are very hard-working people. Come rain or shine, these men soldiers make sure Mumbai eats on time.
Oh, I see. Dabbawalas. Yes, practicing something. Ha ha ha. We see that you are quite in a hurry. Do you walk like this every day?
हो, हे, आमचे रोजचे काम आहे, पण आज खास पोळीचं असल्यामुळे आम्ही थोडे गाडीत आहोत.
What's that? What did he say?
इस दिन पर महाराष्ट्र की कोई संस्कृति की झलक दिखाने के लिए शाम को हम हमारा मनपसंद होली नृत्य प्रस्तुत करते हैं. हम इस त्योहार को मुंबई होली की फेस्टिवल के नाम से भी बुलाते हैं. आपको अगले स्टेशन तक पहुंचाने से पहले रास्ते में जोश के साथ चल रही तैयारियां भी देखने को मिलेगी.
Ayyo.
कोली सोरील्या डोलीर मुंबईच्या सिनारी अगो मार्किन कोली हनलन गोली गचल जाऊ बाजारी बाजार की तैयारी की टोपली मध्य बजे बाजारी
to the Arun Podar radio show. You are listening to 93.5 Bachate Raho.
Ayyo Rama, seriously these days I am missing my dabba wala.
Yes, last year I too visited Marhin Beach. There was a huge dance performance by the Fisher community of Maharashtra.
Why, different tourists enjoy different places.
Few like beaches, few like shopping. Not to forget some of the various cuisines.
Wow, sounds exciting. Mumbai is waiting for some more experiences and stories.
Yeah, once me and Zen took a group of European tourists to Juhu Beach. Yes, I do remember. That I'm planning is for some great Sinbad.
Yes, surely you can do that. Mumbai has a huge coastline.
Hello, what is the discussion all about? I am Zain and this is my friend Rakshan. We are your guides for the day.
Glad to meet you guys. I have heard Marhin Beach is famous for its sunset point. Which are the other famous beaches in Mumbai?
There are many beaches like Chowdhury Beach, Kalpura Beach and Manori Beach. But Juhu Beach is the most popular beach in Mumbai. Then can we visit Juhu Beach? Yes, Juhu Beach is known for its famous street food. Here comes the famous Juhu Beach. You can enjoy the scenic beauty of the beach and of course enjoy the local delicacies and street food. Yes, while you all explore the beach, let me enjoy Tel Malish. What is Tel Malish? He means a head massage.
आइए सम्यक स्लैब हरी चना जोर गरम सेंटर पे आपका स्वागत है। चना जोर गरम बाबू मैं लाया मजेदार चना जोर गरम। मेरा चना बना है आला इसमें डाला गरम मसाला इसको खा ले दिल वाला। चना जोर गरम चना जोर गरम बाबू मैं लाया मजेदार चना जोर गरम। ये लीजिए भाई साहब, छोटा वाला 5 रुपए, बड़ा वाला 10 रुपए।
मैं हूँ चाय वाली अदिता। मेरे ठेले पर आप सबका स्वागत है। युक्ति, मुझे ज्यादा बात करने की आदत तो नहीं है, पर फिर भी मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहूंगी कि इंसान का दिल और चाय का ग्लास हमेशा भरा रहना चाहिए। दुनिया चलती रहे और अदिता की चाय चलती रहे। लकड़ी की काठी, काठी पे घोड़ा, अदिता के ठेले पे गरम गरम पकौड़ा। ले लीजिए, आपका पकौड़ा तैयार है।
गर्मा गर्म चीज पिज्जा, गोलू सिंह का शाही पिज्जा। एक बार जो खाए वो बार बार आए।
मस्त पानीपुरी, शेवपुरी, भेलपुरी, घरपुरी। नॉन स्टॉप चैट करना हो या चटपटा चैट करना हो, लव यू के चैट कॉर्नर आओ। अरे भाई खाओ खाओ, शौक से खाओ।
लव्य जैसे गोलगप्पे खा के लव्य जैसे हो जा। ये लिखिए मैडम।
मैडम जी और भाई लोग, अब उनके बर्गर स्टॉल ना कर बर्गर का मजा लीजिए। कलवा के बर्गर के सब है दीवाने, कलवा के बर्गर से भूख तुम मिटा ले, घर ले जाकर अपने प्यारे बच्चों को खिला दे। अरे दादा, ये तुम क्या बना रहे हो? अरे ये न्यू स्टाइल का गोला है, मतलब मैंने इस पर मलाई डाला है और रंग भी कराया है। बन गया ना कुछ नया, मलाई गोला। मलाई गोला ले लो, मीठा गोला ले लो, मलाई गोला ले लो, मीठा गोला ले लो। मैंगो पिस्ता केसर बादाम बटर स्कॉच का मीठा गोला ले लो, मलाई गोला ले लो, मजे ले लो। आओ आओ आओ, मलाई गोला ले लो, मीठा गोला ले लो, मलाई गोला ले लो, मीठा गोला ले लो। मुंबई की फेमस पाव भाजी सरदार पाव भाजी में आपका स्वागत है। गर्मा गर्म पाव पर चढ़े जब मस्का, मस्के पर पिघले पाव या पाव पर मस्का, मसालों से भरी हमारी भाजी खाकर याद आ जाए यह भाजी। गोला काला गोला, लाल गोला, चॉकलेट गोला, ये मीठे मीठे गोले, आइस गोले ले लो, लाल गोले, पीले गोले, खट्टे मीठे गोले ले लो। मुंबई की चटपटी चाट खाओ, साथ ही साथ इमली की चटनी और तीखा पुदीने का पानी। जो लेकर आया मैं मुंबई की पानी पूरी, जो खाए वो खाता रह जाए, जो ना खाए वो पछताए। ऐसी मुंबई की पानी पूरी, ये लो आपकी पानी पूरी तैयार हो गई। Now I know why Juhu Chowpatty is the most visited beach and I can spend the whole day here. But it is time for us to go back. Guys, can you help us to reach back to our hotel in Gilgal? Sure. Would you all like to take a ride in our BMC bus? Of course. Sounds exciting. Let's go. The window seat is my all-time favorite. Just looking around and enjoying. This busy street seems to be a complete Mumbai. Oh, look! Why are people gathered here? Seems to be a celebration or a feast? Yes, it's a celebration. One of the most awaited and celebrated festivals of Mumbai. You all like to visit it? Yes. Our tourists must visit this mandap of Lord Ganesha. Ganesh Chaturthi is a Hindu festival celebrating the arrival of Lord Ganesha to earth. The festival is marked by placing Ganesha idols at homes or in pandals. Yes, I have seen it in news channels and also have heard about the most famous pandals of Lal Bagcha Raja. Besides these large celebrations, people also place idols in homes and societies and has special programs.
वार्ता विघ्नाची ती पूर्वी प्रेम पपातयाची माझी तारावची सिंदुराची काठी झळके महाकालाची देव जय मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव धरती ऊपर दरिया दरिया के ऊपर अंबर अंबर के ऊपर चंदा चंदा के ऊपर तारे धरती ऊपर दरिया दरिया के ऊपर अंबर अंबर के ऊपर चंदा चंदा के ऊपर तारे तारों में तारा ध्रुव तारा देवों में तू देव हमारा तारों में तारा ध्रुव तारा देवों में तू देव हमारा सबसे ऊपर तू ही हमेशा ओ माय सेंट गणेशा तू रहना साथ हमेशा ओ माय सेंट गणेशा तू रहना साथ हमेशा Awesome! What a statue! It is huge!
Absolutely. Ganpati Bappa. Welcome back to the RNP Radio. You are listening to 93.5 Bajate Raho. Live with our special guest.
Adhya, now I know why we say Mumbai Meri Jaan.
What a day we are having listening to their wonderful experiences. Ganpati Bappa! Moria!
Mumbai is synonymous with Bollywood. Are there any such experiences?
Oh, there are many. Once I remember taking a huge Punjabi crowd to the film city. What a day they had. Sat Shri Akal, Paji.
Sat Shri Akal. Hey, Ashitari Kaido?
Paji.
We want to go to Film City. Can you guide us?
Yes, sure. Your visit to Mumbai would be incomplete till you had a taste of Bollywood. It is the world's second largest movie and music industry.
And our state has given many incredible actors to the industry. Given Sarkasi. Itai ho, Dharmender, Akshay Kumar, Ramesh Puri, Rajesh Khanna.
तुसी बस भी करो हर कोई जानता है कि Punjabis are great. Right, the incredible colors, music, dance and action of Bollywood have captured the attention of the world.
Yes, Hindi movies are watched by millions of people all over the world.
I too love acting. If I get one chance, then
Pushpa, I hate yours. अब चलो भी जिंदगी नमस्कार, आप सबके प्यार के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। आज हमारे बीच एक से बढ़कर एक बड़े सितारे आने वाले हैं।
रुको रुको मेरी बिना ये शो कैसे शुरू हो जाता है?
मैंने सितारे की बात की थी, सूर्य ग्रहण की नहीं।
सूर्य ग्रहण क्या होते ही सारे सितारे छिप जाते हैं।
हो गया।
हेलो गुड्डी, कैसी है आप? लगता है आप गलत शूटिंग पर आ गई है। अब
ऐसा किसने कहा?
मैंने तो कहा नहीं, पर इसका पता नहीं।
अगर आप सबका हो चुका तो मैं अपना शो आगे ले चलूं? हाँ, क्यों नहीं, जरा मैं भी तो देखूं मुझसे बड़े सितारे कौन आए हैं।
मैं भी चलती हूँ, बहुत भूख लगी है।
किसे भूख लगी है?
मुझे तो लगी है, पर इसका पता नहीं। ये बात शर्मा जी।
चलो ये तो गई। अब मैं अपने जंगल में बुलाता हूँ टाइगर को, और वो ऐसा टाइगर है जो बहुत ही अच्छा नाचता है। टाइगर भी कभी नाचता है? ये टाइगर हमारा माचो टाइगर है, तो जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए टाइगर श्रॉफ का। वाह क्या बात है, इतनी एनर्जी लाते कहाँ से हो? बस रोज मम्मी बादाम वाला दूध देती है।
जरा साइड देना।
तुम कौन?
मैं हूँ कूली नंबर 1, मैं हूँ कूली नंबर 1। सारी दुनिया का बोझ मैं उठाता हूँ, सारी दुनिया का बोझ मैं उठाता हूँ।
अरे ये तो हमारे धवन जी है। और ये कौन? कूली नंबर 1 भी हमारी हीरोइन सारा अली खान। वो क्या है, हमने मास्क पहना है तो पहचान नहीं पाया।
जब से ये मास्क है, अब तो सड़क पर निकलो, कोई पहचान भी नहीं पाता है।
अरे जवान, कल तुम्हारी शादी है, अब चलो तैयारी भी करनी है, वरना तुम्हें भी कोई नहीं पहचान पाए।
अरे मैं तो भूल ही गया, कल तो मेरी शादी है।
बाय एवरीवन।
बाय।
चलो ये तो गए नाचने। अरे मेरा मतलब था शादी करने। सारा तुम क्या कह रही थी? अच्छा हाँ सारा, आजकल लिपस्टिक के पैसे तो बच गए होंगे ना?
इसने कहा कि लिपस्टिक के पैसे बच गए।
ओ आलिया भी हमारे बीच आ गई है।
सॉरी कपिल, बहुत ट्रैफिक थी, फंस गई थी।
झूठ क्यों बोल रही हो? सच कहो ना, पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया तो और लाइन में खड़ी थी।
अंधेरी रातों में सुनसान राहों पर
हम जहाँ खड़े होते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है।
ओ सर, आप क्या कहने का मतलब? आई आपके पीछे खड़ी थी, आपके पता कैसे आ गई?
जरूर काफले होता कहीं दौड़ पड़ी होगी।
मैं तुम्हें छोड़ूंगी नहीं। My name is Lakan. My name is Lakan. मेरा नाम है लखन। मैंने तो सुना है आपका नाम अनीता है, और मैंने भी सुना कि तुम बड़ी ट्यूबलाइट हो, ले जल्दी हो।
बुद्धि तो देखा, मैं इन सितारों की बात कर रहा था। वैसे क्या आप लोगों ने और आप सभी ने कभी सोचा था कि आप कपिल शर्मा के शो पर आएंगे? बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सबके प्यार के लिए। कल फिर मिलते हैं नए सितारों के साथ। तब तक के लिए गुड नाइट, अपना ध्यान रखिए, बाय बाय।
Welcome back to the RMT Radio. You are listening to 93.5 बजाते रहो, live with our special guest.
Mumbai, truly the economic capital of India. What a day we had listening to these students' guides.
Rightly said, buddy. I feel proud and honored to be a Mumbaiker. Hope can be a powerful force. Maybe there's no actual magic in it, but when you know what you hope for most and hold it like a light within you, you can make things happen almost like magic.
Let us hope for that magic to happen, to be back again on Roads to Science, to live. Thanks to our special guest from the tourism industry. It was indeed entertaining and informative listening to you guys.
हाँ दोस्तों, फिर से एक बार मुस्कुराएगा मुंबई. Until then, social distancing, mask and precaution, भूलिएगा मत.
We would like to thank all our listeners for their patience and love. We invite our chief guest, our beloved Principal Veer Ma'am, to share her views.
Thank you, children. All students of grade 1, all teachers and all parents, take a bow. Kudos to all the performance that you have put up. Amazing. I mean, I cannot believe that this is class 1 and the radio jockeys 93.5 Bajate Raho. Excellent, excellent. I mean, you were so good. You were like the real RJs. Like Malishka and Jituraj, you have done them, you have beaten them. You've done such a great job. And also the travel guides. And I think, whoever has written the script, okay, it's original, it's very creative, it was enjoyable. I love the way class 1, I cannot believe that these children haven't even been to school. They haven't even met each other. And look at their performance and look at their confidence. They just owned the whole show, completely owned the show. Congratulations, children. Congratulations, teachers and parents. What an amazing performance. Amazing. I'm absolutely bowled over. That, in their homes, they have not met each other. And look at the coordination, the chart. I mean, I can't believe, I kept thinking, have they taken a clipping from the internet? Then I said, no, these are our children. It is so amazing. And the parents, the props, the costumes, the dialogue delivery, everything perfect. I cannot believe this is grade 1, which hasn't even come to school. And they've been able to do this. Absolutely amazing. Stupendous. What a show. Honestly.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I'm completely bowled over. Really, Nima, this has been fantastic. By far the best.
Teachers, please switch on your cameras. Ma'am, script, the entire team, hats off to the entire team, ma'am, and the parents' effort.
Absolutely.
Parents' effort, ma'am, they have in fact conducted this as a project. The stall thing, everything,
Yes.
And the students, they did the wonderful thing.
Yes.
They added the magic to it.
I want to hear that 93.5 Bajate Raho. Adhya, Anika, Ruchir, Matthew, and all the travel guides. I want to just read their names. 1 minute. Sasha, Nansh, what is it? Priyansh, Zain, and this one. I cannot get the name.
Matthew.
No, Matthew I read.
Rakshan Kazi.
Yeah, Rakshan. Very good. I mean, they are so pro that I forgot that, they are actually class 1 kids.
We always felt that, ma'am, when we started with this session, I have always spoken to you about it, that this year grade 1 is something, they have something in them and we have not met them. That is the thing. And still they rose up to the, event.
Yeah.
It's
fantastic. Absolutely. And the teachers, I mean, the way they've been able to draw out their their skills and their abilities. I mean, I'm sure they've connected so well. Nashina, Rochelle, Jhansi, amazing, and Gia, amazing job. Very well done.
Ma'am,
my doggies are also appreciating.
RJs want to ask you all a few questions. Adya, would you like to ask the first question? Yes, Anika. Dear ma'am, through your Insta, we came to know about your recent trip to the US. Did you miss Mumbai during your stay in the US?
Did you say something? I missed it. Yeah. Adya, can you
Dear
repeat
ma'am,
it?
through your Insta, we came to know about your recent trip to the US.
Yeah.
Did you miss Mumbai during your stay in the US?
Absolutely. And I love to come. I was so happy to come back. You know, the spirit of Mumbai is something that you really miss when you're out of Mumbai. It is, completely undying spirit of Mumbai that just draws you back to the city again and again. And of course, I miss all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. यार मैथ्यू तुम दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछ लो ना.
Nitika ma'am, could you tell us about your most favorite restaurant in Mumbai?
Oh, what a lovely question. But before I answer that question, can I compliment all of you? You guys, you children are absolutely, absolutely wonderful. What a kaleidoscopic presentation. And I believe that I'm a true blue Mumbaikar. I cannot live outside this city. I believe that, and for the longest time, I believe that. And what struck me most about your presentation were you've offered a slice of life to all of us here this evening. Have you heard of Bhel Puri? I think you presented in one frame, you presented all the food items of Mumbai, all the famous food items of Mumbai. You remember that frame? The pav bhaji, the gola wala, the bhel puri. So I feel very strongly that the quintessential bhel puri, that is the common bhel puri that we eat, it gives us a flavor of what Mumbai actually is. The sour, the sweet, the salt, the spice, all that is what Mumbai is made of, So if you ask me my famous restaurant, it is Indigo, which is a continental restaurant, but at the same time, I love the street Mumbai. And like I said, it offers you all the flavors that the city is made up of. Thank you, students, for loving Mumbai. And I love the way you all said Amchi Mumbai. When you roll it on your tongue, it actually gives you the essence of the city Mumbai. Thank you for a wonderful, wonderful presentation. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, Nima ma'am. So well collaborated and coordinated. God bless you, students.
Let me ask the last question to Suman ma'am. Ma'am, which is your favorite beach in Mumbai and why?
Suman ma'am left, I think. Suman is here.
She's here?
Yeah, she's here.
Yeah, okay.
Suman ma'am, unmute.
Okay, yeah. Okay, first of all, I'd just like to say a big, big thank you to all of you kids. I really, really enjoyed your performance, and also to the teachers, and like ma'am said, the script. I think, what was really nice was, you made Mumbai alive for all of us. So whether it was, the beaches, or it was the dabbawalas, or it was the very essence of the bhajiyas and the rain and everything. So Mumbai, I could actually feel, Mumbai going, seeing a print of Mumbai, like you see a movie. I was actually thinking that I'm watching a movie with you children playing major roles in it. And the way you acted, I mean, the confidence, the way you performed, it was absolutely mind-blowing. And I really, really enjoyed it. So as far as beach is concerned, so I've not been to so many beaches in Mumbai, but yes, I have taken a walk down Juhu, and I've gone to Aksa. So I don't know it. So wherever, I mean, I do enjoy the beautiful, when you're walking down a beach and you feel the sand under your feet. So it gives you a feeling of complete liberation, especially if you're not wearing shoes and you're just, enjoying that feeling of the sand, the tangy air. There's a saltiness in the air when you are there, and there's a freshness. So I have enjoyed every time I go to a beach or near the sea, I just look at the expanse and I just enjoy that so much. And today, more than the beaches, I just enjoyed your performance. I mean, it is so endearing that I wanted to give all of you a big hug. And to all the teachers also, I would just like to say, you work with these tiny tots and you bring out the best in them. So Nima, take a bow with your team. I think you've done a super job.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I don't know if these little kids know that we did Amchi Mumbai also. But I was telling Dave ma'am today, it was deja vu for me. And I think it's also, I think you beat us. You did a better job than us. So hats off to you all.
Thank you, ma'am. It's all, everything means, I feel the team is great, ma'am. Just, they keep on, doing it better and better, ma'am. The moment we sit together in the meeting and, it goes on, beautifying it so beautiful, they are doing it wonderful. Hats off to the team.
I think also the tech was fantastic. I mean, to get so many videos together, and it's not just, that the dancing, they were giving their dialogues, and to put it together must have taken such a lot of effort to make it, and amazing.
Small bits, ma'am.
Yes.
And giving them steps like Payal, Priyadarshini, and Meghna Mithila putting up together.
Yes.
Seema Naskar means, a lot of, IT work this time, she also did a lot of work.
Yeah. And grade 1 children to know when to, you have to start, put on the mic, put on the camera and to speak.
Hats off to Rochelle and Johnsy, ma'am. With these RJs, they have worked RJs, ma'am. Rochelle and Johnsy. And Sarina.
And ma'am, not to miss, the way they introduced us, the way they welcomed us, with such a lot of effervescence, in a long time, we've not felt so welcome, the way the students over here made us feel, honestly, really, kudos.
Hats off to the team.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. It was a very enjoyable evening.
Thank you, students.
Thank
you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, teachers.
Thank
you,
you.
students.
Thank you for spending a beautiful evening with us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all.
Thank you, everyone.
On Mumbai Mirchi, 93.5 Bajate.
Thank you.
Bye, dear friends.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bajate raho. Bye.